Hello viewers, welcome back to Apple Info YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to check if your iPhone is original or fake. You can check it in two ways. The first one is through model number. First, open the Settings app on your device. Now tap on General. Now click on the About option. Here you will see all the details of your device. Check for the model number and the number is available next to it. If the model number starts with M, it means that it is a new device purchased from Apple Store. If the model number starts with F, it means that it is a refurbished device. Or if it starts with N, it means that is a replacement device from Apple due to a problem. Another one is through serial number. Go back to the About section in the settings. Now look for the serial number option and copy it. Now go to the home screen. Open the Safari app and search for checkcoverage.apple.com. The page will open on the screen. Click on it. Paste the copied serial number in the respective block. Then click on Submit. Here you will purchase details along with coverage of the device. In this way, you can find out whether your iPhone device is original or fake. And that's it. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.